Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect and set up your MX Keys Mini Logi keyboard to your MacBook or any other device that you would like to connect it. So first of all, when you turn on your Bluetooth here and turn on your keyboard, it should appear, and when you click on it, it is going to show you on your device a code that you have to type in on your keyboard and then press enter. And with this, it is already connected to your device, so you can use it as a keyboard. As you can see here, I can start typing. If I find the cell, I can start typing and it already works. But for specific setups, you have to download the Logi MX app. And it is good if you already have the app, and if you already have other Logi devices, it is going to appear automatically. As you can see, I didn't set up anything. I just opened this app and it already shows up in my settings menu here. And to set it up, you just have to tap on the keyboard and you can add applications, you can set up the easy switch, and you can add other devices. So when you use your keyboard, you just press these switches and it switches to a different device. So if you have two laptops, or if you want to use it with your iPad and MacBook, or even on your iPhone, you can use the keyboard by tapping these switches. So these are the three switches. This is going to be your first device, second device, and third device that you can set up here. And if you go to the settings here, you can specify all the different settings and details of your keyboard. As you can see, general, always keep the keyboard in Mac layout, backlighting, battery saving mode, and here are some other features: automatically backup all devices, and here are the keys that you can choose the function, and you can even choose specific applications for your keyboard. So in all these applications, your keyboard is going to act differently. So for example, if I want to set up my keyboard for video editing, I can set video editing commands for all these keys. And when I open the video editor, it is going to start using all these new features. So that's pretty much it, how you can connect it. I think it's pretty straightforward, and I would recommend this keyboard because it's quite a nice build quality keyboard. If you want to buy it, I have a special discount code in the video descriptions and you can order it from Amazon. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.